There are two ways to replace a cellophane roll. If there is enough cellophane remaining on the old roll, follow these steps. As the machine operates, it will prompt you to replace the cellophane roll when it runs out. Before replacing the cellophane roll, pull out the packing module first. Remove the empty cellophane roll core. One. Feed the remaining old roll through the sealer. 2. Insert the new roll. 3. Ensuring the side being inserted is facing the correct direction. Push it all the way in. 3. Pull the new roll under the first metal roller. 4. Then over the second metal roller. 5. And feed it through the sealer. 6. Hold the new and old rolls together, ensuring that both edges are aligned. Ensure there are no creases or folds in the cellophane. This is the direction in which you should tear off the excess cellophane from the left side. The cellophane cutting blade is located here. 5. Once both rolls are aligned, close the sealer to join them together. 6. Close the sealer and wait for a beep. Continue holding it closed until you hear multiple beeps. 7. After hearing the beeps, continue holding the sealer closed and carefully remove any excess cellophane by tearing it off from the left side. Then release the sealer. 8. Turn the new roll clockwise to ensure it is properly tightened. 9. Tip: if you press and hold the forward button, the machine will continuously feed the cellophane roll. To stop it, press the forward button again. 9. Press the forward button until the joined section passes through and the rolls are aligned correctly. Test at least 10 to 15 sachets to ensure proper alignment. After replacing the cellophane roll, push the packing module back in. Once the packing module is back in place, the machine will automatically continue packing.